A license to practice medicine.
A license to practice medicine.
예를 들면 의사 면허가 있다거나
A lot of male athletes practice yoga.
A lot of male athletes practice yoga.
남자 운동선수들이 많이 하거든요.
A successful medical or dental or law practice.
A successful medical or dental or law practice.
성공적인 병원, 치과 병원 변호사, 사무소, 운영.
A young doctor looking for a new practice.
A young doctor looking for a new practice.
개업을 노리고 있는 젊은 의사.
I am off to practice tidily POMING.
I am off to practice tidily POMING.
나는 지금 티들이 팜 연습하러 나간다.
Amanda and Charlie practice their drama roles.
Amanda and Charlie practice their drama roles.
아만다와 찰리는 드라마 역할 연습을 한다.
Among these sports, I practice yoga.
Among these sports, I practice yoga.
이 운동들 중에서 나는 요가를 한다.
Are there any practice tees?
Are there any practice tees?
연습 티는 있나요?
Can I use the practice range?
Can I use the practice range?
프랙티스 레인지, 골프 연습장을 사용할 수 있나요?
Did you practice soccer?
Did you practice soccer?
당신은 축구를 연습했습니까?
Do you practice karate?
Do you practice karate?
가라테를 연습하세요?
Do you practice martial arts?
Do you practice martial arts?
무술도 연마하세요?
Do you practice radio calisthenics?
Do you practice radio calisthenics?
당신은 라디오 체조를 합니까?
Exactly. Let's practice your forehand swing.
Exactly. Let's practice your forehand swing.
그렇지. 포핸드 스윙을 연습해보자.
He has to practice his poses some more.
He has to practice his poses some more.
그 남자 포즈 좀 연습해야겠어?
He used every chance to practice English.
He used every chance to practice English.
그는 기회가 있을 때마다 영어를 공부했다.
How much did you practice English?
How much did you practice English?
영어를 얼마나 연습했나요?
I can also meditate when I practice yoga.
I can also meditate when I practice yoga.
나는 요가를 할 때 명상도 할 수 있다.
I'm just talking through this thing for practice.
I'm just talking through this thing for practice.
난 말하는 걸 통해 이것을 연습하고 있는 거야?
It's a great state to practice law in.
It's a great state to practice law in.
법을 시행할 적기입니다.
It's more enjoyable to practice English with you.
It's more enjoyable to practice English with you.
당신이랑 영어를 연습하니까 더 재미있네요.
Many Indians practice the Hindu religion.
Many Indians practice the Hindu religion.
많은 인도인들이 힌두교 관행을 따른다.
Most Indians practice the Hindu religion.
Most Indians practice the Hindu religion.
대부분의 인도인들은 힌두교를 따른다.
My family practice economy and daily affairs.
My family practice economy and daily affairs.
우리 가족은 일상사에서 돈을 절약한다.
My girlfriend encourages me to practice yoga.
My girlfriend encourages me to practice yoga.
내 여자친구는 내게 요가를 권한다.
Mythological witches were believed to practice witchcraft.
Mythological witches were believed to practice witchcraft.
마녀들은 주술을 부린다고 믿어졌다.
Practice good oral hygiene, especially after eating.
Practice good oral hygiene, especially after eating.
구강위생을 잘 실천해라, 특별히 식후에.
She doesn't practice birth control.
She doesn't practice birth control.
그녀는 임신 조절을 실행하지 않아요.
She doesn't practice contraception.
She doesn't practice contraception.
그녀는 피임법을 쓰지 않아요.
Some companies still practice fraudulent accounting.
Some companies still practice fraudulent accounting.
일부 기업에서는 아직도 분식 회계가 관행처럼 이루어지고 있다.
These bastards even don't practice this messages.
These bastards even don't practice this messages.
그대로 하지도 못하는 주제.
They also practice fasting.
They also practice fasting.
그들은 또한 단식을 행한다.
This week, let's practice good decision making.
This week, let's practice good decision making.
이번 주에는 좋은 결정을 내리는 연습을 해봅시다.
We always practice tennis.
We always practice tennis.
우리는 항상 테니스 연습을 해요.
Where does your sister practice the piano?
Where does your sister practice the piano?
당신의 여동생은 어디에서 피아노 연습을 하나요?
Which sports so you practice?
Which sports do you practice?
무슨 운동을 합니까?
Why don't you practice English conversation?
Why don't you practice English conversation?
영어 회화를 익히세요.
I hardly practice at all.
I hardly practice at all.
난 연습을 거의 안 해.
Above all, you need to practice.
Above all, you need to practice.
무엇보다 연습하는 게 필요해.
Actually, I just gave up my practice.
Actually, I just gave up my practice.
사실 최근 들어서 그만뒀어요.
The boss here used to practice.
The boss here used to practice.
아, 여기 계신 상사가 연습을 하곤 했어요.
An unquenchable thirst for practice undoubtedly helps.
An unquenchable thirst for practice undoubtedly helps.
연습에 대한 억누를 수 없는 갈증은 의심할 것 없이 도움이 된다.
Apparently, it does all come down to practice.
Apparently, it does all come down to practice.
명백히 그것은 완전히 실행된다.
And yes, they will get tight with practice.
And yes, they will get tight with practice.
그들은 연습으로 바쁘게 지낼 거야.
Are you available to practice?
Are you available to practice?
연습할 시간이 있으세요?
Binge watching is common practice.
Binge watching is common practice.
폭풍처럼 몰아보는 거 다들 하잖아.
Do you mean I don't practice?
Do you mean I don't practice?
그럼 내가 충분히 연습을 하지 않았다는 의미인가요?
He said he wants to practice.
He said he wants to practice.
그는 연습을 하고 싶다고 말을 했어?
He used me for target practice.
He used me for target practice.
그자는 날 사격 연습 삼았어.
I'm bringing him for extra practice.
I'm bringing him for extra practice.
난 추가 연습을 위해 그를 데려오고 있어.
The doctor has established a large practice.
The doctor has established a large practice.
그 의사는 환자, 손님이 많다.
The doctor has set up a practice.
The doctor has set up a practice.
의사가 개업했다.
The idea is a common Nazi practice.
The idea is a common Nazi practice.
그러한 생각은 일반적인 나치 관습이다.
The practice broke down because of objections from.
The practice broke down because of objections from.
으로부터의 반대에 봉착하여 그 실행은 좌절되고 말았다.
The practice is fast falling into disuse.
The practice is fast falling into disuse.
이 습관은 점점 사용되지 않고 있다.
The physician has a large practice.
The physician has a large practice.
그 의사는 환자가 많다.
The vile practice of taking hostages.
The vile practice of taking hostages.
인질을 잡는 절대 용납할 수 없는 행위.
Theory and practice are not the same thing.
Theory and practice are not the same thing.
이론과 실제는 다르다.
Theory is one thing, practice is another.
Theory is one thing. Practice is another.
이론과 실제는 다르다.
This is how I practice.
This is how I practice.
나 이렇게 연습해.
What do you think he ought to practice?
What do you think he ought to practice?
그가 실행해야 할 것이 무엇이라고 생각하세요?
Improve one's English with constant practice.
Improve one's English with constant practice.
꾸준한 연습으로 영어 실력을 향상시키다.
In the next step, you'll practice adding items.
In the next step, you'll practice adding items.
다음 단계에서는 항목을 추가하는 방법을 설명합니다.
Maybe you should practice screaming too.
Maybe you should practice screaming, too.
너는 소리 지르는 연습도 해야 돼.
Now let's practice reading the previous lesson.
Now let's practice reading the previous lesson.
자, 지난 단원을 읽는 연습을 합시다.
Please practice reflection on your decision.
Please practice reflection on your decision.
내 결정에 대해 잘 생각해라.
She chose to practice yoga.
She chose to practice yoga.
그녀는 요가를 하기로 마음먹었어.
Some of them even have to practice talking.
Some of them even have to practice talking.
이들 중 일부는 말하는 것도 연습해야 한다.
To practice mindfulness meditation, start small.
To practice mindfulness meditation, start small.
주의 깊은 명상을 실행하기 위해서는 작은 것부터 시작하세요.
Villagers can practice communicating in English there.
Villagers can practice communicating in English there.
이곳에서 마을 사람들은 영어로 의사소통하는 것을 연습할 수 있다.
We're going to practice speaking.
We're going to practice speaking.
회화 연습을 할 거예요.
When did you practice speaking?
When did you practice speaking?
언제 스피킹 연습했어?
You should practice playing the piano.
You should practice playing the piano.
너는 피아노 연습을 해야 한다.